What's going on? Joshua Elder here, the Authentic Marketer, and I'm super excited to shoot this video for you because I just started a brand new campaign from complete scratch. And you guys can see here that I already have 497 quality leads in my GetResponse account. If you're not familiar with what leads are, they're simply email addresses that are logged into a database. The database that I'm using here is known as GetResponse, and it's actually a free trial to sign up, and you'll be able to capture names and email addresses and then follow up with those names and email addresses. A lot of people are struggling with trying to convert leads into sales, and they expect to just send people through a product or a system and expect them to buy. Well, that just doesn't happen like that. You need to build a relationship with these people, and that's the purpose of building an email list. So don't expect that somebody's going to buy your product right off the get-go, right off the bat. You need to make sure that you're continuing to deliver quality content just like this, because you just don't meet somebody for the first time and then get down on your knee and ask them to marry you, right? That would be crazy. Sometimes it takes a few days, sometimes it takes weeks, sometimes it takes months. And so what you need to be doing is demonstrating that you're an actual expert in your field. Okay, that's one of the key components when it comes to email marketing or any type of social media marketing. You need to show people that you're actually there to help them. So this video is a perfect example. What I want to do is I want to walk you through exactly how I built this list of 497 people and what to do after you build that list to start to kind of build a relationship with them and get them to eventually buy your products. Okay, so the flow is going to look something like this. The first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need traffic, right? Traffic is the lifeblood of your business, yada, yada, yada. You've heard that before, but it couldn't be closer to the truth. You need traffic. You need eyeballs to your websites. So for those of you that are newer, traffic is just simply eyeballs to a website, eyeballs to a landing page. So in this case, what I did is I went out there and I got 497 leads. I actually purchased these leads from what's called a solo ad provider. And a solo ad provider actually owns a large database of emails. Sometimes they'll get their emails from like YouTube ads, from Facebook ads, from a website, banner ads online, and then they'll go on and they'll resell those leads to you. Now, what's cool about this is a lot of quality solo ad providers will lead people through a qualification process, a process in which they actually won't send you the lead until they know the lead is interested in whatever product or service you may have to offer. In other words, they send out a survey to these people and they will go through this step-by-step questions process to the point where they're either a qualified prospect or not. What most quality solo ad providers do is they will take the quality prospects that pass this little survey test and they'll pass those leads on to you. And that's exactly how I got this 497 active leads. And so what'll happen is when we take these people from the solo ad provider will send an email out to their list, their database of people that are qualified, and then these people will click on the links in the email and they'll go to a capture page. When these people fill out the capture page, they're then logged into your email database in which they will receive email follow-up series. Now, you've probably received a few emails from me, 3 to be exact. So many of you have received it. Maybe you haven't received those emails. And if you haven't, that's totally fine, because what my goal is to build a bond and relationship with you guys to the point where hopefully you buy one of my products or services. If not, that's okay too. I hope you enjoy the value that I'm giving you in this video and that I continue to give you because I know it'll benefit you one way or another. And so after they fill out the capture page, they will then be sent to what's called the offer page. The offer page could be a sales video, it could be a webinar sign up form, it could be whatever product or service, the sales page of what you're trying to sell. So what'll happen is most people won't buy on the first go, and that is exactly why you need an email series that is being sent out on your behalf. So what's really cool is a lot of solo ad providers will pre-make emails for you. Even a lot of system providers where they will actually have done for you traffic. They'll have emails that are preloaded for you. So then you don't have to worry about doing any of the copy until you kind of start generating your first few results and maybe even your first few sales. Then you could start to learn how to build your own email series and even build your own capture pages. What a lot of good solo ad providers will do is they won't even make you write out or create your own capture pages. So you want to be sure that you pick the right solo ad provider. You want to be sure that you're selecting the right product, and you want to make sure that you have the right follow-up series so you can build that bond, build that relationship, and hopefully eventually get people to buy your stuff. So if you want to learn this kind of stuff in complete detail, you're really serious about building a business online, I would highly recommend checking out the first link in the description below. That's my top recommended system for starting and growing your affiliate marketing business. Now, essentially, affiliate marketing is selling other people's products and then earning a commission off of the sales of those products. So what's really cool is you set up kind of this half right here, or again, have somebody set it up for you. And then the offer page and the actual product is created by somebody else. So when you make a sell, you get part of the commission. And there are some products that pay anywhere between like 50% commission all the way up to 100% commission. So again, if you are serious about learning how to build an online business with the affiliate marketing business model, selling other people's products so you can travel the world, so you can do more of what you love with the people that you love, then go ahead, click the first link in the description below, and we hope to see you on the other side. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. This is Josh Elder, the Authentic Marketer, always keeping it real, raw, authentic, no fluff, no filler. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. 497 leads, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing how this campaign rolls out and how it evolves. I will keep you guys updated. Take care.